It's been an awesome week and it's only Thursday. I think I'm done. Let's take a look. Let's see how a couple of the pairs played out that I projected on. Good morning. It's Casey. I hope everybody is doing well. I just wanted to come and share a couple of the pairs that I've done videos on and provide you guys with an update. Yesterday was an amazing day as far as trading is concerned. A lot of the pairs that I'd speculated to move in a certain direction moved. Like that news yesterday really moved the market. And so I want to show you guys where I am on those. I think I've included a couple of other ones I didn't do videos on, but that I had executed and gotten into. And so let's go. The first pair that I'm looking at is EURUSD. On this one, I thought that EURUSD was still in a corrective structure. So I'm reading down here. We are about to see a significant drop before we see a continuation to the upside. Prices pulled back to the 78.6 and 86 fib level. The D extension in this instance is the 118 and the 127. I believe we could see price make a deeper retracement, potentially to the 618 on the daily. That would bring us to 113. However, we could see a continuation to the upside from the D extension, anticipating a 613 pip drop. So my thought process was on here that the impulse or motive wave of the Elliott wave had completed, and that we were moving into a corrective structure, which was just the ABC. And so I entered a position, and this one I held for a while. I think comfortably. I can only do that in small lot sizes, so that I'm not worried about them. But this one I got 270 pips on. So I had a short-term target of hourly support here. And my thought process is that it's going to continue down to 116. I don't know if it'll make it to 113, but I did just want to mention it. And so we are, what is that? Yeah, 273 on EURUSD. So now I would just wait for price to form on a higher time frame, the swing low and a pullback, to see if it's going to continue going down in a trend line break to the downside, to see if we might reach this 116 target. I have a feeling that we may continue down further. And yeah, this is one that I am very excited about. Very excited about. So the next pair was AUDUSD. I don't think I did a video on this one, but I was looking for a correction on this pair too, and I thought that it had a little bit further to go. I think I speculated a 400 pip drop. I'm gonna go back and revisit to see if I still think it will move there. I think so, but we'll see. I've secured partial profits on this one as well, but this one moved also. The news yesterday was great. It was great for several pairs. So on AUDUSD, this one I think is 150 pips I got out of here, and you'll see that price is currently sitting at a level of support. So I would wait for the swing low, a pullback, and then a trend line break to see if we're going to continue to the downside. So this was a good move too. This is my next one on Sunday. I didn't do a video on AUDJPY, but I was going through my charts marking up, and I thought AUDJPY was going to move a little bit further. It hasn't yet. It doesn't mean it won't, but I have taken partial profits on this one as well. But I anticipated about 128 pips for the first move down on this. And on this pair, I secured 70, I want to say 75 pips. And so yeah, It played a little different than I thought. I think we got here and I thought we were just going to see a test to the backside of this trend line, but price actually broke through. And this is probably because I didn't draw, this is the 1 hour, I didn't draw a lower time frame trend line, which should have gone from the last touch to the next swing low. And that probably would have given me more insight to see that there was opportunity for it to go a little higher. So I waited for the break, the retest, and entered for the sell. I think this one still has room to move just because it's been an uptrend for a while. And so I would anticipate that we're going to see some more movement to the downside. AUDNZD, I did do a video on, and this one I thought also was in a corrective structure. I've only gotten 55 pips out of this so far. This is a very slow moving pair. And so I secured those 55 pips, and I don't know if I'm going to see fully what I thought. Hopefully I do, but yeah, I just got what I could for now, and left a small position open for the rest of the move. So we'll see. This one I did a video on Monday. I hope that you guys did your own analysis and you saw what I saw and you were able to take part in the trade. But Monday I did a video showing how and why I thought there was a 400 pip opportunity on CHFJPY. And yeah, this thing moved in a short amount of time. So I have gotten 170 pips on this one, and so I think it still has room to go. I've just taken small profit and letting the rest run. I moved my stop into profits, and so I'm pretty excited about this. I comfortably could trade to the 120 level, you know, but looking at this structurally, the 61.8 is where I'm targeting, just because this level of past resistance has not been tested as support yet. So I think that price could continue to drop to test this area before we see what it's going to continue to do. Is it going to go back up off of this 61.8? I think this is a daily fib or the 4-hour fib and continue up to the extension, or is it going to break through, retest, and continue down? So we'll see. But this week was a very good week. Where the pips at? Like, it was a great week. But anyway, if you guys like this video, if any of my videos have been helpful to you, make sure you go ahead and give a thumbs up to this one. Consider subscribing to the channel, and then also check the link below for the Facebook group. I have a community of traders. We talk trading, and we also offer no cost training periodically, probably about once a month and then once a quarter for an all-day event. So you're welcome to join us. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video, and as my mentor says, I wish you many pips. Have an awesome week. Bye.